Thermowell installation is the most common method of measuring temperature in the process industry. It provides a protective barrier between the temperature sensor and the process. Well, because it contacts the process, there's different things you need to take into account. One is high velocity flow, and also fluids that are corrosive or abrasive can damage the Thermowell. Another issue is small line sizes. Often with small line sizes in Thermowells, installation is impractical, or you're going to get an inaccurate measurement reading. In a process that's running, and you need to maintain or inspect a Thermowell or add an additional point, that usually requires process shutdown. Emerson has a multi-level approach to dealing with Thermowell challenges. The first pillar is eliminating the Thermowell altogether via Rosemount X-Well technology. This will allow you to get an accurate process measurement without penetrating into the pipe. The second one is suppression. And what I mean by that is we're suppressing the process flow vortices, which can damage a standard Thermowell. And this is done with Emerson's new twisted square Thermowell technology. Thirdly, you can ensure proper design by performing awake frequency calculations and just following industry best practices. What Thermowell challenges are you experiencing? Please share your thoughts in the Emerson Exchange 365 community.